Bună dimineața, good morning and greetings from Sibiu, beautiful city here in Romania. I'm currently walking around exploring this beautiful aristocratic city, standing by St. Mary's Evangelical Church behind me. And Sibiu just really strikes you as a charming, elegant city full of Art Nouveau architecture, beautiful little cobbled streets and lanes. Not many tourists at all. And what's cool about this place is that it was home to the very first school, hospital, pharmacy and library in Romania. So that all happened right here. It's also been at the forefront of Romania's cultural scene for years. In the 19th century, it was a very popular place for famous composers such as Liszt, Strauss and Brahms to come and play here. So you can imagine during the 19th century, this place would be a big melting pot full of diverse cultures and ideas and art and music. And of course today it's full of theatre, art and music festivals. And we're going to explore a lot of the old town today, walking around, seeing these beautiful pastel coloured buildings and trying to understand a bit of the history, and of course to connect with some locals and see what it means to be from Sibiu in Romania. So let's explore. So this is the town square here in Sibiu and it's massive. Beautiful houses. Piața Mare. So Mare is big and Piazza, I'm guessing, is similar to the Italian word for a square, piazza. So big square. Salud. So walking around this park, exploring the old city walls. There are a couple of towers dotted along this wall. And what we know is that the Saxons came here and they were given the role of creating these fortifications to help protect the Hungarian kingdom. And this looks like a theatre for the Sibiu International Film Festival. Awesome. I gotta say, having these colors, all these buildings just bring so much more life to a city than them all being grey or black or brown. We've got blue, orange, green, yellow, pink. So we started somewhere here, walked to Catedrala Evangelica, which was under renovation, and we walked through here into Piața Mare, so the big square, and then we walked kind of around this, saw the towers and old city walls, and currently we're at the Natural Museum, Muzeul de Științe Naturale. We'll go explore some more of this after. Let's get a quick sneak peek for free. So we are in the Holy Trinity Roman Catholic Church here in Sibiu. It's grand. Like, check this out.
It's close.
Oh, it's close. This is the museum.
Museu Bucharest.
Okay. And look at what we have here. Isn't that beautiful? Hey Dave, check this guy getting beheaded.